Hello, traders. Welcome to episode 289 of Tea with Me in the Trade. You could be doing anything, but you're here. And I've somehow been trapped inside the chart screen. It's crazy, man. All right, crazy world we live in. Where Bitcoin seems hit whatever kind of trend line you want that's down sloping. We hit it and got rejected, right? People kept mentioning the Bart Simpson. Yeah, okay, Bart Simpson. 78% retrace, right? That's as high as we went from your high to your low. Okay, so a deep retrace. The diamond broke out, couldn't make a measure move there, and the flag turned out to be a big fake out, and we have since dumped hard, and well into the day we've dumped even harder, even more, and it seems like we're holding support, or we finally found some support at 36.30, that low back from December 27th, 2 days after Christmas, and look left even further, a little bit more of support back from November 24th and 26th. Man, it's like the holiday support, this 35.72 spot. Okay, so volume elevated a little bit, not too crazy, nothing like we've seen in the past, like the real big dumps, right? But nevertheless, largest amount of volume we've seen really since the 20th of December on the move up. So look, I still think a descending broadening wedge, nothing wrong with fractal, nothing wrong with saying that's there, because it is. Oh, let me get rid of this, sorry. I think it's there, but hey, when we're inside the pattern, why don't we look at an equidistant channel to help us, help guide us how far we could go, right? So Hardline's been respected 1, 2, 3 times, okay? 75% trend line, there was some sort of resistance here, some support, resistance, right? Support, resistance on the 25, right? So, I mean, very well respected equidistant channel, plotting like this. It's unfortunate because, man, we were just starting to get inside, or we were just starting to develop an uptrend, but it seemed there was just not enough demand to get us above this critical downslope resistance. And good on the community for seeing this downslope resistance, right? So that's it really for now on Bitcoin. Hope you like. I finally got that screen capture back up there. So let me know if it's coming in clear, if I should make it. Look how large I can make it. I can make it so freaking large, man. Hey, does this look better? So we want to look at it like that. Down 9.34%, man. Okay. Should it be like this? The size of the magnifier, or just smaller just because, I don't know, why not, man? More chart space up there. Okay, up here. Y'all let me know. Give me some feedback on that, because, dude, I'm as new at green screen streaming as y'all, okay? I'm as green as y'all at this. So let's take a look at chat. Hope y'all been having a wonderful Thursday. The weekend is upon us. What's up, Vincent, man? Anthony Rosano says, about time. Yeah, sorry about the punctuality, man. I was having issues with my green screen, dude. It was like, I don't know, man, like you could like almost see through my face for no reason, okay? No reason at all. So just technical issues. What's up, Gaming Crypto? Luke Jones, Pantaloons, Andy Hewitt. What's up, man? Good to see it. Mr. Cool Dad E, Mundex CR7, J Talks Crypto. Vincent, you want some Litecoin, man? Jeez, I got a good coaster for my coffee. Yeah, dude, very unfortunate, man. Very unfortunate about Litecoin dumping, man, like everything else. Okay. What's up, Sam Easy? Moz, Bones 420, Dan and Melissa, the Iowa Jesus Peoples. Thanks for the 2 thumbs up, the beer and the whiskey drink. Wow. What's up, Bobby McDangles, Marcos, Bradford? What's up, dudes? Long time to talk. James Glenn, Kappadappa, The Real Mike. A medium-sized Mitch today, Skyward, I guess. I don't know. People would say I'm a little small. I don't know. Whatever, is that better? Who knows? People say I'm too small, I'm too big. I don't know anymore. All right. What's up, John Legend, Toshi Blue, Shalon Peroni. Hi, Green Screen. Is that just my name now? Green Screen Mitch. Sorry, just, dude. Y'all know the problem I have with this, the chat box. It sucks, dude. Okay. JF Airplane, Arthur Beeswax. Oh my God. My bad. Someone's at my door, dude. They came and they went. Wow. I think the other Threadripper's here. What a joke, dude. What's up, Erasmus, Jurgen, Zed Zerbs, Peter Pan Morgan, Lemon Coin. Hey, Jules Santana, man. Today on the Fortnite channel, I unlocked the Diamond Butterfly Cannon. Yes, well, this is not the butterfly. This is the Cypher Pattern. I can't remember what's the slang term. Let me look up real quick what the slang term, what animal the Cypher Pattern is. The bearish Cypher Pattern. Because they have different ones. You got the sharks, the butterflies. Cypher, I'm looking for it. I don't know, man. I'm not finding the name. I guess they do call it the butterfly. Okay. Whatever, man. I guess it's the butterfly, dude. No big deal. Alright, so yeah, we're unlocking the butterfly. It only cost us half of Jules Santana's microtransaction wallet, okay? So thanks so much, Jules Santana, for the microtransactions, dude. Gangs, dude. Gangs. Alright, sorry. Is that a joint? Hey, Dan and Melissa, thanks so much for the 2420 contribution. The IOG's people's coming in hot. Thanks so much, y'all. Really appreciate it. Time and time again, the support is just over freaking whelming. I hope y'all are enjoying the green screen. I know it's not ideal, but it's temporary. It's all temporary, okay? Jules, what I'm going to do soon is probably just put on someone playing Fortnite and make it look like I'm playing Fortnite, and that's going to be hilarious, dude. What's up, Adam Belsman, man? Drizzt, how you doing, man? Drizzt has been just... man, life's just been looking up for that guy, and happy to see you around still, dude. Okay, love you, man. How much of the volume is more than spec? Like volume, Zameezy? What you talking about, dude? What's up, Coach K, Ultra Instinct Jesus, man? I'm glad you enjoy the channel, Zameezy. Brad Lima. Sorry, dude, just getting through chat. Colonel Chapman, man. Bezant? What is Bezant? BZNT? I'll put it on the list. How about that, dude? I can't make any promises. I have no idea if it's going to show up. BZNT. Sure, dude. Was a slaughter today? Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Well, if anyone was trying to trade some sort of a flag, they'd have gotten stopped out. Shoot, man. Before we even hit 3,900. So, it's whatever, man. This is why stops are important. Okay, stops are very important. Cover Crypto, everyone cover Crypto. Hey, Joshua Ramsey, man. Sorry, dude, I didn't respond to a Discord message, but hey, congratulations on those insane gains on that Ethereum short position, dude. Hey, we hit the measure move. You trusted in that measure move where we hit 131 roughly, and it seems we sold off a little bit more on Ethereum, Joshua. So that's awesome, dude. I really appreciate you letting me know, and it's just great, man, being a positive influence. Okay, very grateful. Code Red 420 no scope, exactly, dude. For Jules Santana, man. Yeah, I sure did. Yeah, Joshua, sorry, just behind. Next move will break 4,200. Maybe, man. I don't know. That's third time. Third time's a charm. Let's see if we can double bottom here. But look, let's see if we develop a bear flag. Right? Bear flag here wouldn't be very good, would it? We just fell below the 200 MA. Look, you know how sad it was, right? Just yesterday, we are above all three moving averages, and within a matter of just less than 24 hours, we're now below all three. Ah, gotta love it, dude. The memo shift real quick. But remember, the prevailing trend, what was it? Oh, extremely, extremely bearish. Bearish cyber pattern. We've seen these before. Okay. Again, what is it? Crypto like the weatherman? Bearish pattern there. And here, everywhere. But that's like Oprah, Adam, dude. That's like Oprah. Here, you get a bearish pattern, you get a bearish pattern, everyone gets a bearish pattern, man. Okay. So hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. Let me try to do this real quick. Let me see, man. Okay, so I could like, what is it? I could move myself up like this and be like, okay, man. So as you can see on the screen here, we would go from, hold on. I have to do it like, so my whole hand. Okay, so as you can see, you have X. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, man. From X to A to B to C to D, okay, like that. I guess that's how we could do it. I don't know, man. So this is interesting. Would anyone like, is this weird? Type 1 for weird, 2 for not weird. Dude, again, this is a y'all show, so I'm just trying to make y'all the most comfortable. A smaller me is probably gonna make everyone comfortable, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Mama, when you coming home? What happened? Is Mama not home? I just don't understand, man. Oh, there's Melissa. What's up, Melissa? Yep, Mike D, I understand your pain, dude. People are so angry, so upset with Bitcoin, but everyone just understand it's a chart. It doesn't care about you, your emotions, or what positions you have, okay? So that's why it's important to understand the downtrend we are in, okay? It did look like we could have had a chance or opportunity to break to the upside. We might have been poised for it, but unfortunately, man, went the other way. What's up, Twitch moments, dude? Yeah, layout change. Yeah, it's temporary, dude. GTMKIV, what's up? Let's go to Ethereum real quick. We like Ethereum, man. What it was doing is beautiful, man. Okay, we had that uptrend. We've been in since December 18th is when it began. And rising wedge with bearish divergence. And then, look, man, we were kind of sketched out because we broke out on no volume. And I guess what happened was, look, if you zoom in enough, you can see we ended up doing, fell below the 20, but then we cracked below the 50 and just wicked a couple rejection candles and then the huge bearish engulfing candle. In a 4-hour period, we got so close to that measured move, my God, and look how much further we've fallen. 131 was the target, right? The widest areas of the wedge. And now we got as low as 122.29. The 200 moving average was 120. It's normally where you go when you crack below the 20 and the 50. All right, after a while. Huge spike in negative momentum, the highest spike of negative momentum we've seen since November 20th. Wow. We haven't been this oversold since December 7th. Okay, so interesting development on Ethereum, where just as you thought, maybe we could have been kings. Look, man, you run up, you break down, you attempt your rally, you make slightly higher highs with extremely lower levels of positive momentum and relative strength, and then it's over. And then we break the trend. We broke the trend line. So any kind of stop, if someone was hoping for Ethereum to go long, would have been we're at that 146, 147 area, 150 area. Okay, so but people were shorting this. That was the lower risk play. Okay, in the situation. All right, so good stuff, man. Good stuff. What's next for Ethereum? It seems from your low to high, we've retraced 78% of the way. Okay, at 122.84. That is literally what we bounced off of so far. Okay, so let's wait for some pattern development. Maybe we'll get some sort of bear flag and we'll dump again. Maybe. All right. But from our most previous minor lows, we're making lower lows than those lows. Okay. Right here. I got it. But yeah, expect, I mean, it seems like we would hold up pretty well at 119, 120. If you look left, it just so happens, okay, so I see what we're doing right here. There's also some sort of support back from November 28th, too. We didn't have a candle body close below it. You see this right here? See, I wish I had my hotkey, man. I might have to just set that up. Okay, we can see right there. That's kind of what we're holding for now. Can't hold that, man. You got a little bit more support down at the 886. Okay. Yeah, let's plot that one on, man. People want to see. Okay, there's a support there. What is it? 119, yeah, 54, and then after that, man, jeez, you're grasping, dude. There's just not much strong support after that. I mean, you got your 112, and then the 112 after. I mean, after that is 99.60. Okay, so hey, maybe we'll get our opportunity down here. Maybe we'll get another entry. But anyway, that's unfortunate, dude. What's up, FP? Veron. Go put that number on my chest. What? No, what number, dude? What's up, Louis Marriott? Hey, Louis Marriott. Next time you say something, good things will happen. Okay. Hey, Johnny Bull, dude. Something about the green screen brings out the red in the beard. Dude, it was awful yesterday, dude. I had too much contrast going on or something. Hey, Hey, Garrett K. So let's get through this. Wrecked Monday night, wrecked today, at least tomorrow's Friday. Surf fishing, Fort Morgan, Alabama. Exactly, dude. Sorry, dude. I'm trying to get through this. Two. So 2 is not bad. Okay, not many ones. Okay, so people liked me on the left side. Sharuba, hello. Gerard. Vincent says next offer Bitcoin's 2400. If that's the case, man, guess what? Litecoin, your beloved Litecoin's going much further too. Okay. Yeah, I think in maybe an hour, $8 billion disappeared from Bitcoin, from the market cap. Whew. Melissa's in Richmond, Virginia with her daughter. We'll tell your daughter we say hello. All right. Thanks again for the love and support. Is King Logan here? I didn't see King. Oh, there's King Logan, dude. Do all the big moves happen in Asia daytime? Europe, Asia. Well, there's like 3 different times, right? That big moves happen, right? I don't know. I've noticed a lot. Maybe Eastern time, like 4 to 6 a.m. Eastern, right? Then you get right around this time. Within the next 2 hours, we start getting moves because that's when the daily closes. But yeah, Asia's waking up, Asian afternoons, okay, and daily closes for the crypto market. There's another leg incoming today or tomorrow. Hard to say, man, because we're got so oversold so fast. We're 20 on the RSI and Ethereum right now. Bitcoin, similar stuff, right? Might want to see if we can get some, pattern development with a bear flag or something, right? So that's a huge spike in negative momentum, okay? So, and decent volume that came in. Let's go to XRP. I think y'all like XRP too, because triangle, man, that neutral pattern that we did not assume. Here it is, man. Here it is. We're well on our way. We're trying to get there. Remember, the measure move of this pattern was 30.5 cents. Well, we've got as low as 32.8 cents. Okay, so still going to see some sort of support down here. 31.6, but for now it seems we're just holding a little support, a very weak support from December 18th, back from December 8th, and I guess you got some more support. All right, I see what we're holding. November 25th, December 4th. All right, so there is some support there. Trying to crack it though. It's not too terribly strong, so we could see much lower prices. Okay, but measure move again, 30.5 cents. All right, you're now technically oversold. Have not been oversold like this since December 7th. Same with Ethereum. And largest spike of negative momentum we've seen since the 27th. All right, so definitely some interesting developments. And look, hey, it kind of all started with that tweezer double top, close and reverse, whatever you want to call it. You can see the 2 weeks, man. How many freaking times, besides the one news pump on Christmas Eve, did we fail to break above 39 cents? It was just too many times, like 14 to 15, 16 times we failed. Could not do it. And so when you do that enough times, my God, I can't believe I did it that many times, you will look for demand by selling off. Where is there demand? There's clearly no demand above this level. And remember, if someone's offloading XRP, every time you hit it and reject higher prices, someone's selling their position. Someone kept selling their position, and then that was it. All their orders filled, and no one else wanted it. There was no other ask higher. Okay, it's all lower. If you invert the chart, we're mooning Milam. Yeah, that's true, man. That is true. Maybe we could do that. You want to do that real quick, Milam? All right, that's for you, dude. Wow, dude, wonderful, man. Look at that. Look at beautiful. Bring it to the upside. Kappa. All right. What's up, Fairy? Hey, Dense Dallas, man. What's up, man? Chocolate powder, dude. Count Chocula had a chocolate powder addiction, I think. That's okay though, man. Those were his early years, right? He's grown up. He's a much more mature vampire now. Okay. What is it, Kevin Happy? I could see how weathermen channels use. Oh, dude, I know, man. I mean, I took broadcasting. My uncle was, you know, a commercial meteorologist for his whole career. I worked at the Weather Channel. So, yeah, I know, man. It takes time to get used to because you're inverting everything. Literally everything's inverted. So you have to literally like watch yourself while you're doing it, but eventually you pick up a muscle memory. It becomes pretty second nature, okay? So, for sure, man. For sure. But the cool thing would be if I could somehow get something that's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi hooked up to where I could, I don't know, laser point or draw with my hands, right? I do less cropping because I'm kind of boxed in, well, this way, because of green screen stuff. Crypto Tiger, how does excuse me, wait a second, Crypto Tiger. You say Santa doesn't like Ripple. He can't see the blockchain. I completely disagree with you on that because if it wasn't for Santa Claus, we would not have hit our secondary target, the 50% retrace, and we ran up too quick and hit the golden retrace. So, hey, that was a Patreon trade setup. Thank God for Santa Claus because he pushed it up on Christmas Eve going into Christmas Day. So, I should stand on my head. I might look better. Yeah, it probably, man. Probably. Well, glad you like it, Louis, man. All right. Glad you like it. What's up, XRP fanboy, dude? Not even a green screen will mess with a lumberjack shirt. Well, this is the more rustic lumberjack, you know? A lumberjack shirt. I've got my real one. My, you know, big time one, but whatever. Did I order it? Yeah, I ordered a replacement Threadripper. Yes. They still have no blockchain. Get wrecked. Alright, hey, I'm sure people in here will argue with you, Crypto Tiger. Does anyone want to argue, Crypto Tiger, about him saying that Ripple has no blockchain? Let me know. Steve said Santa pays his elves, and XRP, I thought he would pay his elves in literal elf coin. Thought that's what it was for. Right? Okay. Yeah, for sure. It might be. I don't know, man. I think that shill, that BitConnect shill, does it like that, man. Okay, so I don't want to like copy someone else's idea or whatever. But I don't think he does real TA. He just does like CoinMarketCap crap. Okay. Sarthok says, seeing me so zoomed in and large, you feel so much closer to me now. Is that a good thing or a bad thing, Sarthok, man? Don't want to make you uncomfortable, all right? Anyway. Holy crap. Hold on. Oh, we haven't looked at this, I think, Colonel Chapman, since the last time, right? This is all I have. I don't have any other pair besides the Korean won, dude. Sorry. So this is the last time we looked at it. It was just like this, and you never requested it again, dude, right? So thank you, Microsoft. Thank you, dude. Okay, so hey, whatever here. Let's see. It looks like we were clearly just going sideways. Not much structure at all, right? No structure, actually. So, I mean, and when that happens, you just have your horizontal lines to help see you through it. Just manually click over and over and over here. Okay. Okay, so this thing is just a range bound S coin, I believe, BZNT, whatever, and it ran up, hit the top up here. Wicks and candle closes from December, early December, and that's it, man. So really, the only, hey, this is fine. Like if someone's range trading, they're using, there's two different types of swing trading, right? There's the trend trading and there's the range trading. And the lower risk areas are down here. I don't know, I'll click this and it won't. All right, either like that, or if you wanted to be a little bit more conservative and try to really, really wait for that money to come to you, you could look for that December 7th low and give it a shot. But then you got it right down here. There's always the risk we could fall even further. But if you have a tight stop, who cares, right? But easy enough, right? Something like that. Okay, conservative targets on entry and exit, right? Because the wick is not all the way up, but this thing went higher. Okay, you might not get the luxury. If we do bounce here, you may not get that luxury again to get up here, is what I'm saying. So, pretty simple. Little, look, here's, hey, why do we sell off? Because we had 88. We'll say 88.88 on the RSI for King Logan, dude. Okay, so, whatever, man. Okay, so, I said you would, the entry would be at 22 wands. And then 20 wands on the stop loss, just relatively below that December 6th, 7th low. And then again, like 37 wands for, you know, an exit. Okay, so very cookie cutter, bread and butter type of trade. All right. XRP Mafia says a lot of XRP haters in here today. Are they in here today? I don't know, man. Well, look, if they're haters, maybe we could, everyone could change their mind in chat, right? So, Crypto Tiger says you can see Ripple's blockchain or XRP, whatever. That's what he said. Sorry, just getting through this chat. Hey, what's up? Colonel Chapman says, thanks so much, Mitch. Hope you had a good Christmas. 2019 is good to you. You haven't been trading for a while, but getting back into it. Thanks again, mate. Yeah, sure, anytime, Mr. Chapman, man. Colin Chapman, dude. I know you do. Coming in from straight, dude. Hey, what's up, Sleepy Cat, dude? There's some apps so you can see yourself with different hats. Yeah, dude. Oh my God, like I saw that, and I'm gonna implement that. I know how to do that, dude. Yep, that's a newer feature by Streamlabs, but I'm primarily Stream Elements, but I was gonna do that today, ran out of time with green screen stuff, just had issues after issues, so yeah, man, Sleepy Cat, I'll probably have that implemented by tonight. Okay, I know what you're talking about. It's so cool. It's like you can tip like $1 and then like a night helmet will show up on my face. It's like the Snapchat facial recognition feature or technology, whatever. You look at Tron Connect, Stephen Caruso? Sure, man. Look at Tron Connect. Yeah, that one fell from grace, did it not? I think we were streaming live when it hit its top. And then, yeah, we were live when it started, everything, the whole market started dumping really hard. Which is interesting, man. See, people erroneously use the word pump and dump, but, you know, really people actually don't misuse the word dump, okay? Well, we'll go up like a quarter of a cent or 2% will move up on Ripple, and people will say we're pumping, and then we'll dump like 10%, and people will say we're selling. Oh, Bogdanovs, man. Is that a giant?
Can we look at gold, please? Oh gracious wondrous mesmerizing mighty TA deity Lord Dre. Thank you in advance. The Anunnaki won't quit blowing me up, I said. I know a guy. Another lord actually. Hold please.
Dude, I'm a little scared now. Bogdanovs, you don't mess with the Bogdanovs, dude, okay? Dude, thank you so much, Bogdanovs, both y'all, for the 420 contribution. Thanks, man. Yeah, dude, we can definitely look at that, okay? I think you'll enjoy it. Alright, let's go right now. Dude, my nose itches like crazy, dude. Okay, so with gold, let's go to the daily. Gold, the potential slanted, inverse, complex head and shoulders pattern. or we just have so many lower lows, all of a sudden we're making higher lows, shifting the momentum. You can see it, and we're running up. We're currently at 1286, and from my high to low, major high to major low, we've hit that golden retrace. Will we be able to sustain prices and continue our rally? I don't know, man. We might pull back first, but as you can clearly see, we had a nice little sloping channel, and we're out of it. We're just holding outside of it for now, kind of stalling a little bit, right? But here's the thing, you had some bearish divergence, and then you just kept pumping, invalidated any, okay. But here, even from that high to this high, you're still making some bearish divergence, right? Still got a little bit, not too much. RSI looks wonderful, currently sitting at 64. You were overbought, not much. Well, you were at like 77 topped out, and now you're currently at 64. So you got a little bit of room to run again, but hey man, this is an area. Look, when you have impulses down like this, you're looking for fib nodes to see price action reversal. Maybe we get it here. All right, you are very, very close on the daily. If you stay, hey, look, I don't think it matters anymore. Even if you sold off here, I still think you're about to get a golden cross. A golden cross on golds. Wonderful, man, wonderful. Huh. Last time we got a golden cross on gold on the daily was May 16th of 2017. All right, we are sitting at 1246. By the end of it all, when we topped out after that golden cross, we got as high as 1364. So just continuing to run, man. Just continuing to run. You can almost just say, hey, is this an ascending broadening wedge of some sort? Yeah, maybe. But it seems like we just broke out of a little flag of some sort, okay? Keep your eye on it. Set your alerts up because, dude, when you hit the golden retrace, those are areas you want to stay vigilant in, checking up on them, monitoring them. Look over, look left, man. Right? Look at your June, so April 2017, June of 2017, double topped, right? And broke down. Look back, May 5th, 2016, extremely powerful level of resistance. We could not sustain prices above before dumping, but then we rallied each time. We broke down, rallied, broke down, rallied. That's fine, but the initial time we got there, right? Look over here, same area of adversity and resistance of February 2015. All right, so it's definitely some sort of good area where you might get a big price action reversal where we are now, okay, on gold. But eventually, you would want to see us breach 1353. Okay, and that could take a long time. That could take us months from where we are now. All right. So that's it on your gold, dude. Bogdanovs, man. Thanks for the 420 again, dude. All right. Kings. I have to set down my coffee so quietly because this table. And without my koozie, or my, not koozie, my coaster. Uh-oh. Holy crap, dude. Oh my god. There is a big XRP debate going on in chat right now. Okay, Dominique said XRP is a scam. Uh-oh. Sorry, just trying to sift through chat a little bit. What's up, Cryptonomicon, man? Doing well? Hope you're doing alright, man. Or doing great anyway. Repeating, of course, Sign Wolf, you know me, man. You know me, dude. So, Mr. Canto, my dude. Crap. My itchy nose makes you want to party with snowmen. Snowmen are good company, right? Gold is way too manipulated, yes, but this is a long time, man. A long time. It takes forever. It's slow going, okay? Like July of 2013, we're at 2019 now, man. So eventually it could have. Look, we've seen crazy runs before on gold. We just look from the top, September of 2011. We're reversing the momentum, the higher lows. What does a higher low signify? Accumulation. More people own gold than before. It's been going on since really January 2016. People have been accumulating gold since then. To some extent, yes. XRP Fanboy says he made his first trading fortune in gold. There you go, man. Boom. Thanks so much for the 230 or so people tuned in between Twitch. No, just on YouTube. Sorry. Yeah, Mr. Spinner, you want to look at uranium? Yeah, we looked at that a couple days ago. Sure, put uranium on the list, dude. Okay. Awesome. Actually, whatever. Let's get to it right now. Uranium. So we, yeah, actually looked at this, and it looked a lot better. Okay, I know you have the descending triangle, but look at the channel. Oh, it's pretty freaking nice. Well-respected channel. Okay. Pretty well respected. So along all the trend lines within, you did show on the daily on uranium some bullish divergence. That's how we got our pop. On both oscillators we got it. So just, man, right here, this critical support, we just looked like all hope was lost, and then had a nice bounce. The nice bounce came from this divergence. Okay, we were too tired from selling. Okay, but the lower lows are real, and when I kept seeing these lower lows, it made me think maybe we might, it might suit us to give plotting an equidistant channel a shot, and it seems great. But the biggest trend line, I think, the most important one, is this downsloping resistance right around 1270. If you can breach that, I have an alert set up. So uranium, man. We've been within the parameters of the downsloping resistance. We kind of created it February of 2017, man. Whew. It's been a minute. Okay, so something crazy about uranium, dude. Look at this pattern right here. Okay, the beautiful, beautiful falling wedge pattern. Right, nothing came from it really at all. That's it. There's your URA, dude. Right. What's up, Myron Gaines? Good to see you, dude. The spinner, was that good? Zero, it's still, yep, that Threadripper still. I don't think it's the Threadripper, man. I think it was the motherboard. I think it was the motherboard. A certain component of the motherboard. And it's all good, man. I'm beside myself. Jeez, dude. What the heck? My chat just disappears every time. Unable to beat Kangs, Ricky, man. Yeah, it seems like that downsloping resistance on Bitcoin was the, you know, I don't know, it was like the Joffrey Baratheon trend line. Okay. And Bitcoin was Ned Stark, get wrecked. All right. Threadripper thing, just typical, all kinds of compatibility problems and all stuff, but after some effort, problems get fixed. Just kind of laborious sometimes. So yeah, dude, seriously, and it's, I just can't believe. I know I kind of beat it with a dead horse last night. How in the world can, like, it's like the actual design of the motherboard that's patented is flawed tremendously. Ricky, someone recommended me to you today to watch. Really, dude? But you've been watching me, man. You've been watching. How'd that happen? Oh my god, why does YouTube chat do this? It just... Sticky, you want that superior, man? Sure, dude. Alright. Sweet. Remember, if you're enjoying this live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank y'all for being here. All of you, I know people have questions about Bitcoin, but we have discussed it, analyzed it thoroughly, and we're just taking requests right now, you know, on these particular, you know, different, well, it's not really just coins people want to see, or any kind of asset for that matter. Interesting. What a dump, man. What a dump. All right, man. So US dollar. to Canadian dollar, downtrend, been in a downtrend. It all really started January 2016. Anchor point 1 from May of 2016, anchor point 2 September 2017. That third anchor point was the pinnacle, January 2016. Very well respected equidistant channel is down sloping. We got very, very close, did we not? Very close to that $1.37 area, but just couldn't quite get to the top. But we did, last time we looked at this, we discussed the bearish divergence, not only on the daily, also the weekly, I believe. Yeah, weekly, we had it. Monthly, do we look at the monthly? I can't remember if we look at the monthly. No, not the monthly, because it was the weekly, daily, and 4 hour. I had bearish divergence on all of them. Okay, so none of that on the RSI. But look, I know we're overall looking pretty good, right? For now, but this is a lower high than this high, right? So really, I think you should keep your eye on the prize and look at this downtrend. Okay, so we were in a nice uptrend. We've been in a nice uptrend since September of 2017, still within the parameters of the upsloping channel, within the downtrend. Remember that. Let's see from a. Look, this is what we did. We ran up and hit an 88% retrace, okay? 88% retrace. There was a resistance point right here back from December 2016, and we just went a little bit higher and then just dumped tremendously. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Let's look at some short-term fibs. Your major daily swing low, swing high. Okay, we've hit a 50% retrace. Something not good. I don't think it's good at all. Is we've fallen below the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel. So, you know, the next one after that's the hard line, right? So, okay. There is some chop. You know, you get all kinds of chop around here, these areas. Don't know if we'll pivot and run, but you do know that we just had the largest spike of negative momentum we've seen since February 2016. February 2016 was the huge dump, okay? We haven't seen this much negative momentum since this time, all right? RSI, only about a week, went from 73 to 34. Haven't been, haven't been this weak on the RSI since April of this 2018 now. It's 2019 now. So, okay, I don't know. Let's look at each fib node. Will we reverse our price action at the 50%? Will we back test this area, this 75% trend line, as a resistance and sell off again? You're now below the 20-day and 50-day moving average, still below the 200-day moving average, sitting at $1.30. Okay, so you don't want to fall below that, man. All right, don't want to fall below that. Had a golden cross in March and continued on up. Lagging indicator. Let's see if we can come on down to 130 and see if we can touch the bottom of this channel. Okay, that's it, man. Downtrend, big dump, 50% retrace from a major swing low to high. That's it. What else? Whoever asked, my God, sorry. Crap, man. That was for you, Sticky E, man. Sorry. Chat is all like, I don't know, man. I keep talking about it because it's like I don't want to be rude by like sitting here like I'm like, the lights are scaring me, man. You know, like Kenny Powers and Eastbound and Down when he like on Sports Sesh. He's just like, I'm not like that. I'm just like having issues catching up back where I was on chat. So, what's up, CWG, man? Hey, Tomislav, dude, where you been, Tomislav, man? Thanks for getting back over here. They patented a flaw. Great patent. Yeah, Captain Happy, seriously, man. What's up, Conductor, man?
Hey, man. Happy Thursday. Can we get a look at Waves/BTC, please?
Sure, man. Thanks, dude. We appreciate that. The 10 doll hairs. Yeah, man. You look, dude, you just had, like, there wasn't much structure up here, okay? There wasn't really much we could do. The move up was so fast, so high and fast, you couldn't really draw a channel, right? The only thing we knew about waves was we had a beautiful downsloping channel, and we broke out of it, got all the way to the top, right? Here's your anchor point 1 and 2 of the trend line. You broke it. The bump and run target was truly at the top of the pattern, right? So we hit it, and that was it, man. Pinnacled up there. And I don't know, man, had a wedge, whatever. Broke it, but just never found any kind of momentum. We just had a death cross on waves. Okay, so whatever, man. I think what we could truly do here. Just fib, man. There's not much we can do from a low, your low to your high. We're at a 50% retrace right now. Okay, we were very, very oversold. We got to as low as 17 on the RSI. Not too bad. Selling hasn't been too bad, but after moves like this, the bleeding can take a while, can take weeks. All right, so don't think the selling's done. We could come all the way. Look, I don't think we ever back tested really. We'd come down, back test this channel we were in, 4,800 really. That would be good. Just know we're death crossing right now. We're below all 3 MAs now, all 3. That's it. So structure-wise, it's gonna be hard, man. To I don't know, man. You can't really. There's no swing low yet, right? So trying to anchor point 1 and 2, it's gonna be tough because this thing could just sell off again. So it's tough to try to create any kind of channel because any kind of channel you had was broken on the upside, right? If you anchor point 1 and 2, we broke to the upside, and now we're at the downside. We tried it last time we analyzed this, so it's hard to really look at any kind of structure here. Okay, very tough because the descent is so steep. What do you do, man? What do you even do here? See, like that, what did you do? You broke out of what? And you're just hanging out, like you broke out and you're just selling off and you're just back testing it. I mean, I guess we do have some bullish divergence, man, but after this, man, okay, we have no formal structure of an uptrend here. Not really. And that's kind of the scary part on waves. Sure, you can just keep on going, man, but you got no trend, no real trend you're showing now. It's just literally 3 legs up. 1, 2, 3, and you're bleeding out now. So I don't know, man. Until you find some structure of an uptrend, hard to decipher where we're going to go. All we know is we've made a 50% retrace with just a little bit of bullish divergence on the RSI, and that's it. You don't ever want to see those death crosses. There it is then. Okay. And channel wise, again, we're grasping at straws here because there's just not much any way we can do this. Okay. Okay. That's it, man. Hope that helps, dude. Probably not, right? Just this one was nuts, dude. This one was insane. Kind of reminds me of Ripple, right? Ripple hit that 79 cents and then just dumped, and it's just been making lower highs ever since. It seems like Waves could probably do the same thing. It's Waves. I get it, it's a platform, but it's not. Dude, all these coins, man, they're traded and they're dumped. They bleed out. Institutions that get in, they don't just dump it back down as fast as it goes up. Sometimes they let it bleed out as to not cause alarm, all right? So I saw ICX. Sorry, I'm limited. I need more monitors, man.
triple MACD bullish divergence on the 12 hours. Thanks for the help.
Hey, Conductor Man, thank you so much for the $5 contribution. Much love, dude. Much love. I wouldn't call it that. Nah. Look, man, let's wait for the swing low. Okay, because look, you can only do it like this, man. You can clearly see there is bullish divergence, right? There is some. And a 50% retrace. But you cracked all this support here, it's gone. Okay, there is no support, horizontal line support you're holding on to. And there's really not much very good support below you. Okay, you got 67.56. And that's about it, man. You got like 5,800, come on down to 5,000. It's pretty decent support, I guess, right? You got some chop here, but I don't know, man. It's really difficult because it doesn't really. So if you try to anchor point 1 and 2 here, which is improper in my opinion, because we don't know the swing low yet. This thing could just keep selling at 1 and 2. I do see some nice bullish divergence on the 12-hour, but you're not getting the same luxury at all on the RSI. So there is just standard divergence. Okay, so but here's some good news for you. Okay, on your 12-hour chart, which I don't know, most people don't use the 12-hour, but hey, it's cool if you're looking at that. The volume from the selling here, the lows here, actually, to this low, I guess it's a little bit less volume, but not really. So I guess we could just look at it like this, try to anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 up here and see how that plays out. But dude, I think there's just, we need more data here. But yeah, not triple, but just standard, I guess. But again, we don't even know yet because we haven't made a confirmed swing low yet, have we? And if we pop to the upside based on this, what are we gonna do? Probably gonna hit the 20 MA at 77, 78, or we could hit the 50 MA at 84.20 and then sell off again, make a lower high than our previous high, lower low than our previous low after that, right? There you go, Conductor Man. Thanks, dude. But look right here, dude. Look here. Listen. Here's some nice 12-hour bearish divergence on the RSI, right? Didn't get that on the 12-hour MACD. So here you go, just looking, but again, 12-hour, you know. So think about it like this, man. You have like 12-hour bearish divergence in the RSI, 4-hour bearish divergence in the RSI. Crazy, man. Anyway, so yeah. So I guess what you could do is say you time hopped from the 12-hour, there's MACD bullish divergence, and now you're on the 4-hour and there's RSI bullish divergence. Interesting. Okay, so we might get a pop, but it might just be a much lower high than our previous highs and just continue this little bleed out that could last for quite some time. Okay. Thanks again, Conductor Man, for the 5 and the 10 before that. Why not run an actual server rack or even just VPS and rent a supercomputer's power to do the work for me? I don't know, man. I don't know. Cause like doing it the hard way, man. Isn't that, dude, I don't know. Isn't that the way it's supposed to go? You know, I was in the workforce for a decade in sales, and you know, a lot of people that were my mentors or whatever, they hated the idea. They're much older, and they hated the idea of technology. The whole mentality and the culture of a lot of industries is work hard, not smart, which is weird. And it's like, if you're working smart, not hard, you're doing something wrong, which is just crazy to me, man. I think that's just technology has, you know, what is it, Moore's Law, where we increase our technology 1.8 times every year. It's almost doubling our technology every year. So with people in generations older, were not exposed to Moore's Law, that phenomenon that came to be only about, what, 15 years ago it kind of started, maybe? 20 years? You told him the stories of the Viking days, man. When Viking night? I don't know, Ricky, man. We're going to get a poll. So those were meant for milestones on sub counts and stuff. But dude, I don't know, like, it's weird. People will, like, being nice, people will buy subs, then those subs will disappear, and they reappear, and then you get 50, 100, and you just don't know what's going on, and then, like, say we hit 4,000 subs, all of a sudden, I do Viking Night, then I wake up and we're down to like 39.50, and I'm like, well, what was that for, right? And then we hit 4,000 again. It's like you don't even know anymore what's real, what's fake, okay? So Viking Night, I should be doing it at some point. Maybe do it with a green screen, that'd be pretty cool. And I could have like a castle or something behind me, whatever, a Viking ship behind me. That'd be crazy. Mr. Spooner, you don't like the whole second and third generation talk as if this makes Bitcoin obsolete. Yeah, chat, what do y'all think about that with much faster technology coming out? What do you mean you don't like it? Why do you not like it, Mr. Spooner? Why are you emotional about it? Do you believe there are faster, more superior ways to transfer money via blockchain, Mr. Spooner? Chat, what say you on that? Hey, Samuel Reimer, thanks for so on YouTube, the Jizzman. Thanks, dude. Welcome. If you have any questions about technical analysis, hit us up in the chat or the Discord. And if you want to keep the conversation going when this stream ends, feel free to head on over to our Discord. The link is in the description below. If you want to get in contact with me or anyone else in this community, that's a great way to do it. Thanks. Aliens are coming, Crypto Tiger. Yes, aliens could be coming. Kappa. Holy crap, dude. Happy birthday, Ricky, man. There's nothing I can do, dude. I have no graphics for that stuff. Sorry, man. Win beer coin, win moon. Probably tomorrow night, Riley, right? Since it's Thursday night now. Jeez, man. YouTube chat box. Killing me, dude. Let's just go back, meander on over to Bitcoin again, okay? Our fresh, hot, equidistant channel that's downsloping. Okay, makes sense here. And now, again, the descending broadening wedge, it's not like it's not in play. No one's saying that, but cleaning it up, I'm not going to have a descending broadening wedge and that plotted. It just looks cleaner, more visible to you, viewing audience. Like this, okay? It feels so weird, man. Being able to utilize like all of my screen with the chart is just new because I've always had, I always have it, that partition. Sorry, I'm trying to get through all the chat. So, what's up, Mr. Selecki, man? We're having a wonderful New Year, dude. Let's get into heated political arguments, Mr. Spinnerman, dude. Sign me up, dude. All in on that, okay? So, oh, so tender. Oh. What's the opinion on Bitcoin? Well, the opinion is really what price action gives us in oscillators, and we failed for the third time to break above a downsloping resistance. You can see. Here we go.
AUG/BTC volatility is tempting, but I can't read it. What's the pattern?
What's up, Cano Tomatoes? What about potatoes? Got a problem with potatoes, man? Come on, man. Thanks for the $5. We'll look at Agi. Yeah, just after the local on the 8s. This is your local on the 8s. Sponsored by Nutella Studios. Greenbow. Blah, blah. Okay. But so Tenderman, just to answer your question relevant to Bitcoin, we had that fake out of the flag. It looked almost like a bull flag, but we hit from a high to low 70% retrace and just could not and would not defeat the trend line that is down slipping. Okay, so when you can't find demand, you fail enough times, as you can see zoomed in. Probably, let's look at the 60-minute real quick. Look how many more touch points we get, how many rejections. You want to count it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These here, 15. Count that as 1, 15. So 15 rejections at a downslipping resistance, right? No bueno, man. No bueno. Remember, if you're swing trading, and I know we don't look at the shorter time scales very often, the reason why one would look at those shorter time scales, you know, anything like 30 minute, 60 minutes. 60 minutes fine. You can definitely make good shorter term swing trades on the 60 minute, but you look at those because you're looking for more touch points along trend lines, right? Supports, resistances, giving more confirmation. Okay, so we can't see, we only got a certain amount of rejections on the 4 hour, but we'll go to the 60 minute, we see even more rejections on the on this trend line, right? So that helps us give us paint a better picture of what could be coming next, right? I think I'm just gonna use all these pieces of paper as my coaster. Hold on, so I don't have to keep setting it down like I'm walking on eggshells, because I know it's really loud. If I would slam this down, it would kill y'all's eardrums. Jeez. Alright, should be good there. Whew. Bitcoin is politics, dude. Are you kidding me, man? Dude, hey, maybe it's the green screen rather, man. Ian Hertz, I'm looking smart. Oh, is it the green? Dude, seriously, is this just the green screen, man? Can't keep up with the multi-combos, Mr. Kentama. Me either, dude. Okay. Audio is gone. What do you mean, Mile High? Hello? Sudicat says audio's fine. Oh my god, dude. No winning, dude. Hey, JKims06. Thanks for the follow on Twitter, dude. Appreciate it. Welcome. Kevin Hattie says Bitcoin really is exopolitics. It's the first generation gateway away from fiat currency, and the world is full of countries where people want to use something else than failed fiat money, having hyperinflation. Yeah, I guess so, man. I guess it really is, man. Well, it was created solely because the government and the banks sandwiched the people, the peasants, in together, right? By screwing them, us. Pornhub subs went up, Mr. Lucky Man. You tried to learn more and less typing. Thanks for the like button. Thomas Love did. Hitting that like button. I don't even know what I was at a few weeks ago, dude. Mr. Spinner, man, that's terrible, right? Terrible growth. But again, like, that's not really the metric I use for success. The metric I use is really feedback from you, the audience. Like, hey, man, things have been going well because I've been learning. Wow, we have 7 more, y'all, 7 more subs until 4,000. If we hit 4,000 by tonight, man, it's gonna be party time. Okay, dude, the 4,000 sub party night. All right, can't promise any sort of Viking or Wizard or Vet Moonboy, but can't promise good night stream. Be fun, celebratory stream. All right. What's up, EC, dude? Welcome. Hey, Sag, ZZP, man. Thanks for the follow on Twitter, dude. Appreciate it, dude. Twitter haven't been active, man. Haven't been active since down here, right? Before the move up. So. Green screen and a Viking ship? No way. Put yourself to a paradise island with tropical heat and a beach. Remember sunglasses? Captain Happy. What, man? That's not the Viking way. So, Laura, you love the bigger chart. Sometimes less is more. Well, dude, definitely here. Less is way more here because the chart's much, much larger. Expand it out. Okay. What's up, Ivan? What do you think the next move is? I think the next move is some consolidation. Being so oversold. Sure, we could keep selling off, but it's less likely. All right, it's less likely, but again, because we're hitting a support, being so oversold, negative momentum though. Here's the issue: the negative momentum is at its highest level right now. So, with that being the case, we could sell off. We very well could breach this. You don't want to breach that though. Man, that'd be real bad. Quickly, it would run down to 34.65. I think that's the next support. Let's just pull that real quick. right here. That's your next real support. If we breach 35.73, okay. After that though, man, 33.20, and then really you're coming down to like 3,200, coming down to these areas, which is not good, right? Very bad. 4,000 beer coin party. We can do it, Ryler, man. We can do it. What's up, Sarah Bell? I'm doing well. You love the new screen? See, it's just temporary. It's temporary setup. This is making me sad, man, because I don't even know like what's gonna happen when Alexander Monslow, man. Thanks for the sub on YouTube, Jesus, man. I don't even know what's gonna happen, dude. Once I get Red River hooked up and I'm back to the normal overlay, people are gonna be like, "Oh my God, I hate this." I just don't know, man. I've been thinking about just alternating between this office and my main office, and do this like once a week or something, since people like it a lot. I don't know. I really don't know what to do anymore. Viking stream at 4K. Maybe B-Slice, maybe. I mean, that's just a big maybe, because I just haven't done it in so long, right? When was the last time I did a Viking night, man? Jeez. Shoot, man, 5 more subs. 5 more subs till 4,000. Look right. Oh, dude, Larley in here? Are you kidding me, man? Cue the Jesus chomps, man. Boom. I just didn't see it. Where's he at? Oh, okay, never mind. Sorry. He says, Aunt Christian, if you took positions that prevent you from sleeping or cause any anxiety in any way, shape, or form, that's a good sign you're trading money you can't afford to lose, or you're taking too much risk. Exactly, Larley. Sage words. Sage or sage? I don't know. Sage seems good. Oh yeah, I got a couple ribeyes to cook tonight, y'all. Oh my God. Dude, I love cooking ribeyes on the big green egg. Does anyone else have a big green egg in here? Type 1 if you have a big green egg. Okay. You don't have to type anything if you don't have one. So just type 1 if you have it. So we could have a discussion about it in Discord or something, right? Yeah, seven-time athletic, 777. Yeah, you like the overlay, even if it's temporary. What's up, Jose Lopez, man? You like the old screen setup without the green screen? Yeah, dude, yeah, for sure. It's weird, man. There's so much hyperbole. It's like, some people like this, some people don't, right? I don't know. What's up, Valley, man? What's up, dude? Hey, look, there's James Larley right after that. James Allen, dude. Is the inverse head shoulder? I don't think it was ever really a valid inverse head and shoulders, dude. I mean, I think it was a bearish cyber pattern, and I think, but yeah, that would definitely do it. I think that would definitely invalidate right there. Okay, I think maybe some people had a neckline like this. Okay, did not breach it. I think right here, yeah, rejecting that, yeah. Litecoin too, man, fell right back below the neckline, like. But hey, man, sentiment of the market. What is it? The trend. Remember, don't forget what's going on. Don't, you know, just because we had an impulse up, C to D, impulse up. Don't be euphoric, man. All right. You can be like, oh my God, are we gonna do it? Are we gonna do it? And we didn't do it. Gave confirmation that this downtrend is going to continue. All right. You have an imitation egg? Yeah, of course it does, Sleepy Cat. Come on, dude. Yes, you're talking about the crimson eggs? Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's ancient Chinese technology, man. They all work the same. You know, I just got lucky on my big green egg, okay? So, dude, they're stupid expensive. Is that what the kids are calling it these days? Yep, big green egg. You love the combination of TA and Viking Knight, Tomislav? Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it, man. It's just been a while. James Allen also likes the layout. Hey, Larley, what do you think, man? What do you like better? Do you like this kind of vanilla style, or do you like the overlay with the chat and things, right? You should be able to see the smaller numbers always, Sarah. I don't think any of the font has changed in terms of size. Has pack been added yet? I don't think so, right? Probably not. Nope. No pack. Haven't heard of pack coin in a long time. Now that is a coin I've not heard in a long, long time. Yeah, Andrew. What the thing is, like, I'll y'all not see on my other stream, like my other layout, when I'll flip complete screens and you won't see me at all. It'll just be straight up the charts. Okay. Oh yeah, I could be in outer space with the Vet Moonboy helm on. That would be nuts. Okay. You like the bigger chart without the chat, but you prefer without the green screen and seeing the room. So you like, okay, so you'd like it like this, but the problem is though, it's like you're gonna have a big rectangle here, well, here, right? I know, man, it's like, I don't even know if we can, it's like the best of both worlds, exactly. Font's more readable, huh? So there's fun versus efficient, I guess, right? I'm not sure. More professional, James Allen. We're not going for professional here. Okay, sweet. Oh, sorry. Let me. We're gonna look at Ethereum again. And then we're just gonna move on. Man, Angie was so close. Well, it got pretty close to that measurement. All right, let's go to Ethereum real quick and just check on it. Wonderful, hitting that measured move and then some, right? And we just we're so on the breakout of the wedge. We just had very little volume, bounced off the 50. Thought maybe there might be a shot, but sorry. We fell below the 20 and 50 MA, just used them as resistance, but then Bitcoin dumped and Ethereum was brought to its knees. And a very small measured move. I mean, whatever, dude. $23.40 is a pretty decent measured move, and we just continued selling off. Bounced off from a low to high. That's 78% retrace at 122.84. Very, very close to that 200 MA. Another target area, 120. And then right at that 200 MA is a horizontal line support back from December 21st, December 1st, November 28th area. Good God, man, November 25th, 23rd. Okay, so you do have some supports around here being extremely oversold. I mean, somewhat, it's 20 is pretty weak, man. All right, and again, reiterating the analysis from earlier, the largest spike of negative momentum we've seen since November 20th. Okay, so yeah, man, not good at all. We'll see what kind of patterns develop. Will we continue selling? Well, I mean, we obviously could. Keep your eye on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will definitely dictate Ethereum price action, especially the US dollar pairs. Okay, so let's see if we can hold above that 200 MA. Pretty freaking important. All right. What are you even mad about? This is a 50% retrace. This is literally this wick right here. Up here, 50% retrace, 160. All right, that is the Charles Dow. The Dow theory, remember, we don't have it plotted because it's not really relevant anymore. Okay, from your high to low, there it is, 50% retrace between the 50%, 62% retrace. Remember your retrace zone, your common retrace zone. But we sure as heck followed the rules of the fibs there, right? No more demand. The lower high was right, wasn't it? Remember we were just worried about that lower high. Remember when we broke down, pivoted, ran up? Just couldn't make the higher high. Sold off. Dumped. Okay, so 168, 85. You're about $8 off that golden retrace. What you gonna do, man? What you gonna do? All right, so we're just gonna wait for pattern development on Ethereum. lot of stuff going on. I think it didn't save beforehand. Beautiful, beautiful rounding action. That's just fantastic. Okay. Cup with handle action. I mean, it's pretty good looking. Right after that, turned into a symmetrical triangle. Had a nice break to the upside, even back tested, so people had the opportunities to enter longs on the breakout. And we ran up, but we did not hit the measure move of the pattern. Got as high as from a low swing high to swing low. 1272. The 1272 that was confluent with the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel, and sold off. Reversed our price action. Still within the parameters of the uptrend though. Great there, but hey man, you just fell below the 20, the 50 MAs, the heart line of the equidistant channel. And let's see here. Thank you so much, Fibs. It was great when you were relevant to us, but now no longer that relevant. Okay, great man, great. Measure move, you were great, but we got to clean you up a little bit because, well, it just, things start getting really, really, you know, whatever, like, too much stuff on the screen. It can confuse people, freak people out. All right, so, fib-wise, look from your minor low to minor high. What was the retrace? Near the golden retrace, right? We have not quite hit it yet from the low to high. Alright, so 1226, let's see if we can reverse our price action anywhere. Clearly not really any kind of bullish divergence yet. We haven't, I mean, maybe, just maybe, we're now bullishly engulfing on this 4-hour candle right now. We've got about 7 minutes 35 seconds left. Hey, that'd be cool. So you got very, very slight bullish divergence if this is to be a bullish engulfing candle. Don't really know if this is the swing low though. Okay, not certain. But with this kind of wick here and the bullish engulfing candle, it might be very well the case. And there you go. Big green man. Oh, it feels so good. These are joints. Clapping and other sound bits.
Epic stream last night. So sad I didn't see it live. Roll Cowboys.
Roll Cowboys, and I'm sorry you didn't get to see it live, but it's hilarious to hear that M was completely freaked out and scared when she saw it on the big screen, dude. So happy to hear that I freaked out the queen, but tell her I'm sorry, all right? Yeah, man, I don't know, Probes. It's not like, dude, if we hit 4,000 subs tonight, man, it's not like we're not going to have a lit stream this evening, okay? Let's see. I don't even know anymore. Like, I don't have any kind of, all the bells and whistles and all the utility I had, I no longer have that here on this alt. This alt battle station, all right? Holy crap. So that's it. Gotta love this uptrend, despite any kind of price action, any kind of shortcomings we had on the symmetrical triangle, right? Wonderful, 1272, beautiful. Sorry, let me get this chat again. Thanks, Probes, again, dude. 59, dude. The Kang contribution. Did you miss Agi, Skyward? Nah. Oh, well, I don't know. That was 4 minutes ago, so. You don't see my XRP tip bot? Yeah, EC, man. I'm screwed now. I'm so screwed. Like, none of that stuff I've got right now. Okay. I don't have any kind of scene changes. Dude, it's so vanilla right now. It's like I just started streaming. Okay. And that would make sense, right? Since we're coming on the 1-year anniversary of content creation. Razor Vet likes this look better. You like, yep. Thanks, 777 Athletic, man. How ironic that Athletic is in the gym. Holy crap. When chilling and having chat drink, go back to the room. Well, the problem is James Allen going offline, going online on different battle stations. Blah, right? You guess not having the real room square does give a bit more space to the chart, but my face is still hiding some of it. Yeah, that is true, man. This ugly mug, man. Alright. Larly. Why do you hate us, XRP fanboy? What did we do, dude? Hey, Nippon Cowboy, dude, coming in from Japan. We're got to. The setup is clear, but the room looks more inviting and authentic. Excuse me. I have on noise canceling headphones, so it's weird because I can only hear some of me talking. As long as I do my thing, it's all good. Thanks, Nippon Cowboy, for the feedback, dude. Alex Pekion, well, you know, the shorts chart, it's really a testament to the volume, right, of the shorts and longs, more so than really kind of price action. So, I mean, we do it, we look at it. It's not something you should ever bank on, but it's always okay to analyze and see where we're at. If we have a nice upsloping channel, historical upsloping channel on that chart, yeah, it could help you make decisions, maybe. The rigging of the markets continue. MK Man, what's up, dude? Tell the little ones to say hello. And your lovely, lovely wife who makes the absolute best screwdrivers on earth. MK, let her know. Okay. Sorry, trying to get through chat. Okay, sorry. I've been live now for an hour and 24 minutes. If you're enjoying this live stream, please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. We 5 more subs till 4,000. Good God. By the way, this work hard versus work smart is pretty much the result of political thinking, prioritizing capital, and downgrading the value of work. Sort of right-wing socialism. I don't know, man. Maybe, I don't know, Captain Happy. Maybe so. I'm on the battle bridge. Minimal, yet efficient. There you go, dude. Fort Morgan, man. Good to see you, dude. Have I ever thought about Sage cleansing my stream rep? Michael Tuscan, I don't know what that means. Does anyone else know what Sage cleansing is, man? Everyone's gonna wait to be the number 4,000 sub, and I'll never get there because everyone's just waiting, right? No one wants to be sub number 3,099, right? Okay, there you go. Larley says our first stream ever was together on YouTube. It was on January 23rd, 2018. So getting close to the 1 year mark. I guess we count those too, yeah. That's true. And long ago, dude. Long ago. Creators of Sophia, the robot. What are y'all talking about with robots, man? And cleansings of sages. You've never been in a kung fu stream? Me neither, man. Me neither. Maybe I should do it in karate. Maybe when what is it? Crypto Kai? No, Cobra Kai comes out, I'll dress up as a kung fu person, right? Kung Fu. What's your project? There you go, dude. Sage cleansing is spirit cleaning. Oh, how does one clean their spirit, dude? Must I visit a priest? I don't know, man. What's up, William Battles, dude? Thanks for making it. The mechanisms through which sage cleansing function may make you not wish to use it. Sounds like, I don't know, man. Oh, okay, it's a plant that grows from different forms all over the world. Van Life, what is it? What part are you trying to purge a toothache with Jack Daniels, dude? Good God. Okay, anyway, so, yeah, really, that's, it. Let's see. I think we have one. ICX US dollar, like, dead, dude. Like, oh my God. At least we're through the crash, right? You could just go sideways forever and then eventually shift our momentum somewhat, right? No real structure down here, just slightly lower highs, whatever. If you had anything, I think you probably broke out of it, right? You probably broke out. Yeah, never mind. Not with these anchor points. Let's see. That's a good touch point. See, you don't get many good touch points here, right? Like at all. I mean, I like this, but no heart line. I mean, I guess a little bit here. It's not really that well respected though, right? It's not even much of a difference, right? The price disparity. So we're talking like February, $5.85, right? $5.85 February, and we're down to 24 cents on Icon. Oh my god, man. Well, whatever, dude. Okay. Thing's just a dumpster fire. I mean, maybe we shift our momentum, whatever, but probably not with Bitcoin. Look, you had some nice divergence. And then we broke to the upside, higher lows, right? It looks like people be like, is that an inverse head and shoulders, man? It's like, we gotta really zoom in on this one, don't we? Not really, dude. Oblong, you know, left shoulder and right shoulder. Head's kind of off. Nice neckline, though, right? Dude, gotta set a hotkey on this mouse. Okay, clearly just kind of double topped. Can't break this overhead resistance. I mean, this is the overhead resistance, man. You just can't do it. All right. Can't breach it. You sold off, and now you're just kind of, okay, here's another little support we have not reached yet. Okay, so, hey, look, range bound. So we can hold that. Vamp the Wang, thanks for subbing YouTube. Jesus, man, thanks, dude. All right, so okay, we're range bound to whatever. Can't breach a critical overhead resistance. If you do, man, it could be smooth sailing for a while. We'll see. Probably a 23% retrace, dude. That does not look like a good retrace. I mean, clearly a discernible swing high. You know where it is, right? It's right here. I think that's it. Your high to low. Didn't even touch 23. That's so bad, man. That's so weak. Clearly no demand on this S coin. This is an S coin. Seriously, okay. Look, if people be like, oh, is that a ascending triangle? I don't know, maybe you could have called it that. But you broke it bearishly, right? You broke out bearishly of that potential pattern, all right? So whatever, man. Okay, so let's just look at the ranges, the range we're in. If you don't hold 22 cents, coming on down to 20.4 cents, and after that is 18 cents. Okay, so whatever, man. Okay. Wow. Sorry, there's some chat. What's up, XRP Andy, dude? Where's XRP? Or where's Bitcoin Andy at? I haven't seen him in a week or two. You just eat sage to cleanse? Sorry, just pulling through chat. Pretty good stream so far, right? Okay, cool. All right, B-Slice, have a good one, man. I think I might take you up on that and start firing up that green egg. Let's see what happens. Can we get down to 22.5 cents? It seems very likely at this point. Not oversold yet. Not oversold yet. So it could keep on selling off. Pretty decent volume came on this big move down. Okay, below, or about to break below that 200 MA. Ugh. Kind of like Bitcoin, right? Anyway. All right, y'all. So, see, hey, I'm at the mercy of y'all, right? Two monitors, man, just not good enough. All right. I do have there is a Mitch Ray coin. It's on the Waves platform, created by It's Just Zero. All right, so, all right. Let's go back to Bitcoin, finish it up on that. And we can just, we're going for the Hail Mary tonight. Can we get the 4K? Hilarious, man. We hit 4,000 on Bitcoin before I hit 4,000 subs. People were betting on me getting 4,000 subs for Bitcoin hitting 4K when we were down here. Bitcoin won, man. It won. All right. But now I have more subs than Bitcoin's price. So who wins, really? Okay, let's see. All right. Remember to hit that like button on the way out of here, the sub. If you enjoyed the content, the stream today, I'll be back tonight, Thursday night. Yeah, that's it. So, all right. Thank you all so much for the love, support, likes, subs, contributions, everything. Y'all are amazing. Y'all are what gets me. Y'all get me out of the bed in the morning. All right. So until tonight at 11 Eastern for potentially the 4,000 sub stream. Respect the TA.